I want, Neha, you to, from your point of view, define what is sex for you. Like, is it just दो लोगों के बीच में एक physical intercourse, physical intimacy, or is it much more than that?
Sex is very different from intercourse. Sex itself is a feeling of oneness, completeness. It's more psychological, emotional, rather than making it a part of a play. ठीक है. जब हम कोई ऐसा कंटेंट या ऐसी कोई बात करते हैं, when we talk about sex, everybody makes it to intercourse and penetration.
Right.
Nobody talks about how slowly it goes. And I think ये बहुत ज़्यादा पॉन्स ने स्टार्ट किया है कि you started the first thing, something is happening, till the end something is happening. तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो ऐसे चलता ही रहता है. Otherwise, sex itself has lots of activities. और जब अगर हम वो मिस कर देंगे तो ये intercourse turns out as an forceful activity or as a compulsive activity जिसे सिर्फ करना ही होता है.
So sex is something which does not only happen inside the bedroom. It starts from outside of the bedroom. It starts from the morning. How you really behave with each other, how you really be with each other, and then it ends up on the bed, but it's not something which happens just inside the bedroom. Right?
Absolutely. You quoted it really well, that it actually starts how you start your day and it ends up on bed definitely. So sex is, for a woman, if you talk about what women spend, for a woman, sex is everything from the ear to the ear. So it's all inside her from here. So उसके लिए तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है that mental preparations, emotional preparations, or even the financial preparations has to be there. है ना कि when you gift her, it's always say कि women are very ready if you gift her something. बहुत common है ना, सुना हुआ है हमने कि ऐसा होता है. Because every preparation has to lead कहीं ना कहीं वो उसे एक happiness, एक fulfillment का feeling देता है, and then only she'll able to give you the maximum pleasure she could. So वो सारी preparations हैं जो एक अच्छे सेक्स को enjoy करने के लिए लेके जाती हैं. और अगर वो नहीं है तो for women it is very difficult to give her best.